What's going on, everybody? Emeka here. Monday, time for the weekly update where I go through my ups and downs of, building the passive income lifestyle. So welcome to the channel. If you're brand new, please, if you like what I'm saying, subscribe, like the video and all that fun YouTube jazz. But let's get down to it. Man, what a great week. I really had a great week this week. And not just for my success, let me make sure I'm in the camera here, my success, but a lot of my students just kind of reaching out to me, and a lot of them are having some of their best months ever. I did a video, I'll link it up on here, of one of my students, doing over $400 a day, I think over $450, over $400 a day regardless, from his books right now. And, when you achieve success, it's cool, but what's even greater is when you're able to help other people achieve, success, in their life. And it's the whole reason I wanted to start the course and, start documenting my journey, is just give people the blueprint of how to do it and share what I'm learning along the way, so others can take it and do bigger and better than what I've done. And that's just so cool to see a lot of my students reaching those levels this month. So what else? Oh man, I had an eye-opening call with my mentor this week, D1. Eye-opening. It was one of those ones where your mind just like snaps. And, it was funny. A couple of, we basically, he's like, you're making the exact amount of money you should be making based on your mindset. Something along those lines. And I know that, I've heard that before, but this is why investing in mentors is it's the most important thing you can do for your business, because it gives you a constant reminder, and it gives you just somebody who's always there looking out for your best interest to help you take things to another level. And he really just helped me, remember that, one, I got to keep learning and growing. Two, I need to start treating the business like proper business and start planning properly, because I'm not planning. I'm getting up and doing what I need to do that day, and I'm literally just taking it day by day by day. And he's like, you're never going to scale up to 20, 30, 40, 50 grand a month doing that. You gotta start planning and then executing the plan. And I was like, man, that was just, I've done that before in other businesses, but I haven't done that since I started this whole online thing at all. There's some things that I plan more than others, but planning. So it's like, okay, why are you doing this? And it made a ton of sense. It made a ton of sense. It was a big eye-opening thing. So that's going to be, I started working on that a little bit, but definitely going into 2018, that's going to be a major shift. I think just a lot more planning, strategically planning on, why I'm doing things, and not just doing things for the sake of doing it, for the sake of feeling busy. Because if you've never worked for yourself before, you can do a lot of stuff that makes you feel like you're being productive, but you're just being busy on a lot of stuff that doesn't really matter. So, yeah, so that's definitely something I'm gonna focus more on. But that was probably the biggest win of the week. That, and just having my students reach out to me about some of their successes. But the whole planning aspect was massive for me, because totally was not aware of it. And it makes so much sense, because we went through things. He's like, so why did you buy so-and-so's course? Or why did you buy right? It's like, well, all of that's planned. And I'm like, oh man. It's like, it was good. It was good. But, other than that, it is, we're approaching the holiday season, and I know not all of you are celebrating, depending on where you are around the world, but you know, it's busy time for us over here in North America. But you know, you need to stay focused on your end goal, because 2018 is going to be here in like 16 days-ish, something like that. And remember, you do not start January 1st. People who start their goals January 1st are the ones who just are not really actually committed to their goals. You start working on your goals now. And, you know, I've been preaching that for months, that, you know, the new year started in September, right? That's when I started working towards my goals and changing things. And, you know, everything I've been doing this fall is leading up to massive 2018 that I want to have. It's not about starting January 1st. That's just dumb. But, yeah. Anyways, I think that's all I got for this week. I gotta get to some messages and some emails, and I've been reaching out to some people, getting some feedback, so I can work on some other things to bring more value to those of you inside the blueprint. But yeah, so other than that, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk soon. Take care.